new here, please do subscribe down below. My name is Adeola and I upload videos about Africa, travel and lifestyle. So if you're interested in those videos, please do subscribe down below. So today we are in the Czech Republic. We're actually going to be doing a Prague vlog. It's going to be really interesting. We've got quite a lot of things booked already. So I'll show you what the country looks like. Let's go.
I didn't fit it, but I rock it like a baby in the car. I put the water in the ocean in the city.
Porter, and we will cross the Charles Bridge. And the idea behind this tour is like ideally with 65 meters high, and you have a beautiful view over the whole town with the farmhouse.
Lamp on it, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he call my toes. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors.
Okay, so we're just in the old town square. As you can see, the astronomical clock behind me. I'll show you more of what the city looks like.
Oh Lord, I cannot trust my neighbor.
So we're just about to try some traditional Czech treats and the coffee called Pubcrawl. So let's go in and try some treats. Okay, so trying one of their treats. Let's go for this. Is that ice cream? Oh, okay. Okay, now savory. Good.
Briefly explain to you what the Jewish quarter actually is, because it is not a place where Jewish people live today. Let's start with that. It's called like that because in the medieval times, where you could live if you were from a Jewish family, you were not allowed to live anywhere else because Christians would not allow it.
Itself was Jewish. The statue is right over here on the edge of the Jewish quarter. We're gonna enter this way.
Making me this naughty. No, I'm gonna tell me what's up in God. I'm gonna take me there, I'm gonna get I want making you, baby, I'm like making you, oh baby, oh no.
Okay, so we just made it to the Lenin Wall. As you can see, a lot of creative design, very colourful, very nice. We're heading off to lunch now and we'll show you what we eat, so let's go. Okay, so we're just at the Alchemy Museum and we're walking up these spiral wooden stairs, and I'll show you what it looks like.
Now we are in alchemist storage room. There was everything needed for work and close enough to laboratory in Prague. It was made in the 16th century by Rockefeller himself. And he was working at the production of homunculus. Homunculus was an artificial human being. Don't confuse it with golem, if you know what I mean. Elements like blood, flesh, hair.
Too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name,
So I just made it to the top of the Alchemist Tower. I'll show you the views from here. Not that exciting, but it's still nice view of the city, so I'll show you.
Your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture.
This one I bet you.
Okay, so we made it to our last stop of the day, which is Manifesto. It's like an open plan market, and I think it'll be the perfect way to end the day. Just trying out some nibbles, and yeah, we'll check in with you tomorrow.
What's it going? G-Wagon, all depending. They get them, ride the whip.
Okay, hi. So you would have seen what we got up to during the day. I'm currently heading out now. I'm going to explore the nightlife. Actually, randomly was scrolling on Instagram and found a ticket for a night in a club where they say that you get free drinks for an hour. So I'm gonna test that out and see if that is really true, and I'll take you along with me. Let's go.
Just to make sure money, but my people then go say I don't want back. I know.
Officially the drinks have ended, the free drinks, but I'm drunk, so. Okay, so tonight's been really good. I'm about to head back to my accommodation. Yeah, I will be going out on, I think, Saturday as well, so I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so I just got done at the club. It's like after 2 AM. I don't really know where I am, but Google Maps said my hotel is nearby, so I'll probably check in with you guys tomorrow and find my way home. See you, bye. Hey, hello, hi guys. So today is day 2 in Prague. Today is a really late morning start. You would have seen what I got up to yesterday. I took full advantage of those free drinks. So yeah, it was a wild night. But today is another day, another sunny day, and we are currently off to get some breakfast. After breakfast, we'll be going to Prague Castle, and after Prague Castle, we'll actually also be doing some other bits. So stay tuned for that, and I will check in with you later. Let's go. So we just made it to Prague Castle. We'll show you what the inside looks like. Yesterday we came to the church attached near the castle, but I'm not too sure if it's actually part of the castle or not. We'll see where we can get a ticket, and hopefully someone can explain a bit more to us where the castle actually is.
Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Roll like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Cherishing a fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trails. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Look at the straight, you are not my mate. If you become some every end of stage. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depending. The girl them ride the whip, I know it, die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depending. The girl them ride the whip, I know it, die for nothing.
You know finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they from say I too righteous. No con they from say you too like us. You know get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady clean like broccoli. Steady on my grind, no one hear what they want. Telling me could be not my fantasy. They want to change if my that be no.
Hello, good morning guys. Today is a bit of a rainy day in Prague. We currently woke up early to go to the library and we've just got our ticket. I didn't realise that it was only guided tours, but we've got our ticket for 11:30, so we're about to head to breakfast and we're going to try and see if the lift is open, but we've heard some bad news that the lift is broken, that tourists have broken it, but we're going to keep our hopes up and still try, so we'll take you along.
We try money we never see before. Cause hello me, got me feeling I'm the one. I dare. You never take my cake away. I dare. You can't count my grace. I just dare my lane. Me no get the time, but the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money.
Okay, so what are we having?
Hi everyone, so for the English breakfast here, beans, egg, hash brown, mushrooms, tomatoes, bacon, sausage, and we've got the Benedict's breakfast. I think it's salmon, avocado, egg.
Yeah, and then they put some like type of cheese. I don't know the name of the cheese, but there's a cheese in it as well.
Yeah, on a bacon.
Mm-hmm.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished now, cause I just begun. I ain't giving out no nutty to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? Other man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. What? I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me that song.
Okay, so we've just made it to the top of the tower. We're currently on a tour of the library, so we've just seen that, and look at the views here. Absolutely stunning. I'll show you what the rest looks like because it's a 360 walkway, so let's go.
Save me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees will fall too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I
Okay guys, we were unable to go into the town hall because it's closed. It's a weekend. We should have known the city hall would be closed. So we did end up seeing the library. Now we're doing a boat cruise, which is really nice. Got ourselves some Starbucks on our way, so we'll show you what the river cruise looks like.
I can't get your tenderness. Still I can't get you off my mind. What is it about you, baby?
I just said that love.
I'm still
Okay, so we're heading up on the boat. Okay, so we're on the boat now. Very, very excited for the boat tour. Currently loading some people. The views already look so good. You can't see it, I'll try and show you. But yeah, we will catch up with you later. There was me. Okay, so we're currently on the boat tour, enjoying the sunshine, a glass of wine. We'll probably check in with you tomorrow. We don't really have much plans tomorrow, but the city is so much fun, so you'll see what we get up to tomorrow. And actually tonight I'm going on a pub crawl, so that should be really interesting as well. So I will check in with you later on. Okay, hi guys, so you would have seen what we got up to today. Right now I'm heading on the Pubcrawl. I'll show you what that looks like. I'm running a little bit late and I'm hoping that they don't like move from spot to spot at the moment. I will show you what the Pubcrawl looks like. Let's go.
Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything to get no fasting. I don't care what you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian style.
We just made it to the Pubcrawl. I'll show you what I get up to, what the night looks like. About to get lit, so let's go.
Every one of you beautiful fucking pistols to drunken men. That's fucking voice.
I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the picky. It's all embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, shit could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much.
Okay, so we're in the final bar. I'm gonna show you what that looks like. Guys, I am too lit. I don't think I'm gonna be able to vlog anymore, but if I do, I'll show you what it looks like. Hello, good morning guys. So today is a bit of a rainy, gloomy day. So we're actually leaving Prague today. This is our last day. I doubt I'll do anything because of the weather, but if I do, I will show you. So if you like the vlog, please do like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.